Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the copies in the printer settings on your i-SENSYS MF657Cdw made by Canon. So first head over to the settings, go to menu, now select function settings and select the printer. Here in the printer settings, we will have the copies. And here we can change it from 1 to 999. And here you guys can select the random number. You guys can then add to it or subtract from it. Now, what you guys can do is go over to the website. So I'll show it to you guys. So now we are at the website and I'm going to show you how to easily get here. So basically, there's a tutorial on our channel that shows how it works. So then go and watch that tutorial and you'll know how to get here. Basically, you need to enter the ID, your PIN, then you will go into the settings and you will find the function settings and printer settings here. Now go to edit here in the printer settings and you will be able to change the copies. So we need to give it time to load because there's a lot of settings. And now after it loads, we will basically be able to change the copies. As you guys can see here, we have an option to do that from 1 to 999. Nothing changes, it's just a different UI, and that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.